back to another live. Today we're gonna talk about the insane prediction of Mr. Crypto Galaxy that is going mad. He's going bananas on his KASPA cult and charlatans, voodoo spells. We say, do not fall for Crypto Galaxy, sir. How you doing, Jomo?
Hey, good morning, CM. Good morning, CM. Yeah, that dude, man, Crypto Galaxy is. I don't know what he's trying to do and accomplish over here, but definitely not the best interest of his viewers, man. In fact,
He's calling for Coinbase listing. I don't know why he think it's bullish. The last Coinbase listing for Turbo got the coin wrecked.
all these big Binance and Coinbase listings, they all
Bearish.
go down.
It's bearish. It's 90% plus going to be a sell-off from hell. Why? Because Coinbase gets free coins and then they dump it immediately on the price. Why? It's a business. They want to make money. Anyway, he says Coinbase listing wrecked. He says smart contracts, and he says KASPA ETF. Did you hear that
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
saying KASPA ETF? Man, I'm gonna show the audience the video. By the way, guys, smash the like. Guys, smash the like. Tweet it, retweet it. Help us save the innocent souls out there. Innocent souls that's watching his
Exactly.
morons YouTubes, man. These innocent people, they get wrecked already. They are wrecked for the last 15 months buying KASPA and his meme coins. We gotta help them, guys. So smash the like and retweet it if you can. Let me show you the video on Mr. Galaxy. We're gonna look on this video through
Hey,
all
and share
the.
your questions right now. Put the questions in the comment section so we can go over them after we talk about Dear Crypto Galaxy. Okay, just to make sure that you put all the questions, we can answer them as fast as possible.
Exactly.
Get the spot listing on Coinbase and the smart contracts maybe in June of 2025, pumping a lot, hitting $5.
$5.
Maybe KASPA could even go to $7, and then I will be filthy rich. Let's see, if KASPA hits $7 from 10 cents, that's a 70x. So if you want to make $100,000, that would require putting in $1,428 in KASPA right now today. Get your bag secured, pack up now. If KASPA lists on Coinbase as late as January 2026, there's definitely 50x potential for KASPA. Now, if it's like super late, like March 2026, I mean, after 6 months of Bitcoin dumping, it's looking pretty bad for altcoins. But what I'm saying is Bitcoin can start the bear market and start dumping for 2 months, and the alt season can still kind of stay afloat for a couple months. So we have 11 months for KASPA to get listed on Coinbase. So we have 9 months left of bull run, 11 months left of like.
This guy, he's 100% sure that you have another 9 months of alt season. What
That's the
alt season?
problem.
What alt season, man? What? Have you looked on the coins? The coins are getting rugged one after another. And me and Jomo just talked about the Solana dump that actually reflecting on the entire space. When Solana dropped down below its 200 AMA now, okay, and getting wrecked, this is and Ethereum as well. This is a sign for the entire altcoin market of weakness. He's calling for 50x KASPA till 2026.
Look, this dude, man, he's talking about so many fallacies, all right? He's literally the fallacy dude, all right? So he says a few things over here. He's using things that supposedly seem like catalysts, all right? And he's framing those catalysts as if they are 100% positive, all right? And using that to convince people of his validity, right? He's just a salesperson. He is literally a salesperson. Yeah, and maybe he did. I don't know. Maybe he did, right? But the thing is, he's using those fallacies to trick the minds of innocent people. Okay, as you said, and we need to put this to a stop. Everything that he said in this video, all these fallacies, all right, they're not correct. Nothing is guaranteed. And we just talked about how a Coinbase listing is actually bearish in the past cycle. Any coin list, any coin Coinbase listing almost all of them, almost, right, went straight down from inception, right? Not all of them, but the majority, all the big ones for sure. If it's something that was already traded in other exchanges, most probably, right? What happens is people buy in anticipation, and then when it's a sell on the news event. So everything, it's not a 50x potential, right? It's not. It's just saying that it's just, I don't know, it's silly. It's silly to hear someone saying that a top 100 coin on coin market cap will be listed on exchange, and because it's going to be listed on an exchange, it's a 50x catalyst. All right, it's reckless, CM. It's just reckless. He has so many fallacies over there. It's just overwhelming people with all these, smoke and mirrors, no real content, no real knowledge, just, and what he's saying over there, you see how he said it? If we go 50x, I'm going to be filthy rich. That's how people want to think. They want to think that if they buy now, they start extrapolating. If I buy now and it does 50x, right? I will be that kind of rich. I only need $1,000. I'll make 5 million. That's not how things work. All
Did
right.
he just
That's
did
the
he,
fallacy.
did he just say if you buy $1,400 of Caspa, you're gonna get 100K?
Yeah. You basically need to put like $1,200 now, and in 2026 you're going to have $100,000. That's what he's saying, and he's using dates as if he's a freaking
Profit,
prophet.
profit, yeah. He's a prophet. He's a profit maximalist, not
He's
a
a
profit.
prophet, not profit.
Profit maximalist, not
He's a
profit. What a
clairvoyant man. I don't know.
this guy, man, $10, $7. Really, look,
This
guys,
is Crypto Galaxy.
we love Caspa. Okay, we love Caspa. We believe Caspa have amazing future, and we believe it's gonna go high. It might even get to his prediction. I don't know, but man, it's not gonna go now there. It's not gonna go this year there. It's not gonna go this cycle there, man. This cycle is very very priced in. You might gonna get another rally of Caspa, maybe, but to $7, come on, man. There is no liquidity. Maybe in the next bull run, or maybe in the next bull run, but you gotta be realistic, man. Don't fall for this nonsense. Kaspa is amazing. Kaspa is amazing project, but this guy is making this project look like a clown. Okay, he's using the Kaspa project and the Kaspa community to he's getting
To
them.
pump himself.
Yeah. He just want to get likes, get views, and he's selling you nonsense, man, and people fall for it, man.
Yeah, and he's using all the bad words. He's using "I'm gonna get filthy rich." This is gonna pump. This is gonna move. Like he's using all these kind of buzzwords to to insinuate that what he's saying is like has validity. But he's not a professional whatsoever. It's almost criminal how reckless this dude is, man. And people that have some sort of calm and composed mind can be critically about him and understand.
Exactly like the only one says. By the way, the only one, we're going to talk about your question in a second, in a couple of minutes after we finish the Casper rant. But exactly what you're saying here, he's talking in certainties. And when you trade markets, if someone is talking with certainties, he's full of himself. He's probably a scammer. He don't know what he's talking about.
Not only he's certain about it, he as well gives you dates.
Dates, yeah.
That's more than certain. That's like I know what's going to happen. I don't know. I mean, this dude is insane, man. It is criminal, reckless, and all those things for sure, man, for sure. Let's
All
go for
right.
some questions, CM. Let's
Let's
start
go.
with the only one question.
Okay, guys. By the way, if you have any other question, guys, drop them now. Drop them now. We have a busy day today.
Oh, earlier, the only one.
Oh, the only one earlier. Okay, sorry. That's it.
All right, so the only one is asking an interesting question. If you can only make 100% return on the short side, what's the difference when you short at say $10 it goes to zero and $2 it go to zero? No difference. It's the same exactly. Even if you short from $100,000, all right, it goes all the way to zero. It's still 100% down. And it's from 10 cents, it goes to zero. It's still a 100%, profit if you take a short, but it's a 100%, down move. So it doesn't matter from which price it starts. If it goes to zero, that's the cap. right? You can only make 100% drawdown. You can only make 100% on a short. So there's no difference whatsoever. Look, I'm going to say this for all of you. The numbers, the prices, right? The prices are not important to calculate gains, right? It's the percentage move that is important, right? So if you go from $10 to $20, it's the same as going from 1 cent to 2 cents. Both is a 100% gain as well, right? So try to be more simple about, this is a percentage game and not a full numbers game, right? Don't be fooled by the numbers, okay?
Yeah, and also all the short sellers, don't look for shorts for 100% move.
No.
Look for 40% moves, 50% move. Then
20,
you
20, 25.
it depends in which yeah, you can do 20, 25, whatever, but still look for these shorts. Usually they have big violent move down, then you get a bounce, then you short again. So it's like a shorting is like breakout trades to the downside. It's not something you hodl. You can
Yeah,
hodl a Bitcoin short, for example, for a couple of months. You can
yeah.
do that, and it's gonna be gonna be amazing in a bear market if you can. But we mostly focus on
CM got disconnected, I think. Anyway, what CM
your
wanted to say
money
is that we
and
focus on, shorter term moves on the downside. CM? Yeah, he's. Oh, here you are.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think
I'm
you're
here.
back.
I'm here. Do you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, you're back now.
All right. My internet. My Spanish internet is insane, man. It has
The
no
market
resource. I
didn't
don't know what
want you to
happened to it.
tell this
Anyway,
secret, CM.
oh yeah, 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 yeah. He faded it. He faded it. All right, this guy is asking. I'm having 2,500 to invest. Will you please give me some 10x, 100x coin right now at current position to buy till I hold up to peak of bull run? Well, sir, um, go buy yourself a ticket to the casino or to Crypto Galaxy cheerleaders, and you're gonna get filthy rich, man. You're gonna get filthy. There is no such thing, man. There is no such thing. Give me some 10x 100. Give me. Who am I? Do you think I am Santa Claus, the crypto Santa? Man, who do you think we are, man? Like, give me, man. What will happen to your 2,500? They will disappear if you go
Evaporated.
evaporate. They're going to
Hey,
disappear, man. Never gonna
hey,
happen.
CM, let's do this question in reverse. Sai, please give me some 10x to 100x coin right now.
Right
All
now.
right,
Right now.
until to whole of it. Please, you give me right down now, please. I want those picks by you, Mr. Sai. Look, it's apparent that you have no
Welcome,
idea what
welcome
you're
to
doing.
crypto, man. By the way, welcome to crypto. Apparently, you're very baby, you're very new. So welcome to crypto.
Well, exactly. Welcome to crypto. And man, you know what? I don't even have something to say about this here. I'm just, you know what? Take your 205,000 to $2,500. Take your girlfriend out for dinner. That's a better use. Buy him some jewelry. Buy and don't trade. All right. That's a very bad mentality. I can see that you are in for a lot of pain, Mr. Sai. You're in for a lot of pain thinking this way. Okay. That's not how things work. How things work, you need to gain knowledge, you need to understand the market, and you need to be much more realistic, buddy. Right? If you will do a 2x on your money, that's amazing. to 2x, then go to 3x. 10 to 100, buddy, you are delusional.
Delusional as fuck. And it's good that you came to this place now, because we actually can save you all the wrecked, a trip to wrecked city. Because if you will just tell a regular YouTuber, like CG or someone, give me a 10x or 100x, he will tell you, yeah,
Blender.
Blender. Man,
CM, you're
no,
cut
man.
again. Your
Okay,
Spanish
man.
internet is.
Today,
Ladies, give a round of applause for the internet of CM that is giving us some hard time today. It's okay, it happened every now and then. When we rely on technology, sometimes, you get blasted, and that's part of the game. I will need to fill in for CM until he's back.
Not
Anyway,
bad.
Sai, look. Oh, you're back, CM.
Hello.
You're back.
Okay. Okay, let's see if we have more
Now
questions
you're gone
in.
again.
Oh no.
Move to a new question. Christoph said hi. You know, Chocolate says cross your ring. George Michael, Faith. I don't know what that means. He's saying let's look at Supra. Okay. Let
No,
me
no,
just
but
have a
but look,
quick
but
look
look,
at Supra. Let's give some
but
some
look,
charting.
look on the question, man. How many X's they can do if I hold them at the peak of the bull run, sir? There is a chance the peak of the bull run is in, man. There is a chance. No one is talking about it. There is a chance the peak is in, man.
There is a possibility. Look, Sai, I'm not going to even look at these charts because that's not your question. Your question is if you hold these, how many X? Again, I mean, you got to the wrong place. Okay, we don't give these types of prediction. We're not these type of people. Okay, we're not going to fill you with we're not going to slick you around telling you that we know something. We don't. We don't. We don't know what an asset is going to do. We are here to trade. We're in the game of probabilities, right? We are here to take the best probabilities we can and to make money over time, not on stupid X's and, hopium and whatever. And the coins that you just shared, man, are just smashed. I'm sorry, Sai. We have nothing to, we can't help you. I'm sorry, Sai.
We can't help you. Looks like you cannot even help yourself. But good luck, my friend. Good luck. Morning, guys.
Good morning, Chris.
I seen him try and draw a chart once, no idea, just peddling hopium. Yeah, he's talking about Crypto Galaxy. Yeah, Crypto Galaxy is a very nice guy. Same with Caesar gets crypto, just shilling hopium to gain new subs. We need to cover him one day. We need to cover him.
We will.
Those crypto profits deserve to be in jail. Oh my god. Oh
Some
my
will. Some will be in jail eventually.
GM, sir, GM.
GM Banditos.
Banditos. GM. Criminals. KASPA look ready for another short 8-1. Could be.
I'm already short, Kaspa. I don't need to find new shorts.
Break out the crystal balls here.
Break it
Yeah, man.
out. Here, CM, break out a crystal ball. Here it is. I have my own crystal ball. It's my bald head.
What is a good indicator that BTC is back bullish? Well, BTC is still bullish. Okay, it's still above its 200-day MA. So for me, it's still bullish. If it dropped below it, that's not good. If you're talking more short term, for me and Jomo, we're looking for a reversal. We're looking for a bounce back above 100K. The moment it's like in a no man's land, it could sell off, it could be in a little correction, a longer correction, or it can be just a fake out to the downside and then reversal. So we're just now waiting. Indicator, yeah, that's what I'm saying. What do you think, Jomo?
I mean, I don't use indicators to tell me if something is bullish or not, right? I think your question is asking, okay, when will we believe that a continuation is probable? Okay, look, this is some sort of another clairvoyanting kind of question. Okay, we will need to look at price action, and we will need to look to see how price action is behaving. Okay, if you want the clear conviction or a clear conviction, we're going to go back to a new bullish uptrend, a clear cut conviction. If we go above $108,000, right? If we go above the last all-time high, probably we're going to go back to new bazooka land or whatever, right? Now, probably earlier, we're going to find some evidence of price action confirming a potential reversal back to the upside. If it will happen again, as CM said, we do not take lightly the probability of this being a top. There is a probability, I would argue, I don't know, anywhere between 1 to 10% probability of this being the top, right? If I will take this type of formation breakdown for roughly 10 to 100 charts, this might be a top of that specific chart, okay? Not saying it's big probabilities, but it's not negligible either, right? So we need to take that into account. So we understand the scenarios, and we're building for those scenarios probable and possible trades, right? So far, let Bitcoin play out. Let's see how far down it wants to go, and if it will reverse, we're going to see some evidence on the price action. That's it.
Yeah, and if it's just gonna do a bounce or a dead cat bounce, we have our longs candidates that we will trigger a trades on them if Bitcoin have a multi-day bounce or a multi-week
Exactly.
bounce. We're gonna trade it, man. That's the difference between us and other people. Other people will just buy the rubbish coins on a dip, yeah, on a dip of an 80% crash, and we're not buying any coin. We trading the best charts in crypto. We don't even look on coins. We think charts and trades. That's how we roll, man. And that's how we make money. If the charts are bearish, we're gonna short. If the charts are bullish, we're gonna long. That's it. And it could be a small, a short-term trade for a couple of days, couple of weeks, and that's it, man.
For sure.
Yeah, I'm in a little tone short at the moment. Yeah, but not really playing out so well for some reason. But it's okay. We can get a bounce now. I have other shorts that are doing much better.
Yeah.
Galaxy has cross earring like Faith cover album of George Michael. Oh, so you reckon he's a lady boy? Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's a lady boy, man. He's a lady boy. A rich one, a rich one. Can you look at Swarms and Pippin? What the F is that, man?
Haven't heard of it.
Look at it, Jomo.
Oh.
Open the chart, man. Open the chart, man.
Yeah. Okay. Let me open the chart.
What is it? The rug pull?
No.
Swarms and Pippin. It sounds like someone make a little pee on the chart.
If someone made a PP on the chart.
God. Oh my god. Well,
let's
Swarms maybe. Oh, he's doing a PPS.
Woo!
That's a big PP. But man, now crypto gains will come and tell you, oh, this coin will make you rich, man. Just put 2K and it's gonna do 100x. Yeah, let's go.
Look, this is not an edge that we participate, okay? It's not an edge. Some people can argue that it found a bottom and now it wants to go down into a neglect phase. If you want to understand how we will trade this, if this is tradable eventually, what we will wait is for swarms to have some sort of breakout like this, okay? Out of this neglect range, right? And once it does, this kind of breakout, and maybe create some sort of continuation base and then continues, we will take this continuation breakout, right? So this is a little bit of alpha, a little bit of how we do things. We teach this, we preach this, but as long as it's within this range, I'm not going to touch it. Some people are going to ask me, but Jomo, if this breaks out here, you could have made 200%, blah, blah, blah. But you don't know how long this will go sideways. This can go sideways for 2 years, or it can actually go down from here as well. It can go sideways and shit again. Okay? So as long as it's within the neglect phase, I don't touch it. If it breaks above neglect, create a continuation pattern, boom. That's something that I can participate with.
I actually added to my watch list now. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna keep an eye. At the moment, yeah, it's like Jomo. It looks like shit.
Same thing here.
Oh, this one, this actually too, looking nice. What's the ticker? Pop Pippin?
Pippin.
Pippin. Let's do a Pippi. Pippi.
For me, it's the same thing. I have an edge, okay? I want the edge to be tilted in my favor. As long as it's in within a neglect phase and doesn't have any momentum within it, there's no edge. You're just, playing the dice until one of these coins eventually will, make you money. The thing is, and this is for all of you, okay? When you don't have a specific edge with low risk and high asymmetric reward, you cannot be concentrated, right, in a position. Let's say you're one of these people, you like swarms for some reason. You cannot put more than 1, 2, 3% of your account in something like that because you're going to use a shotgun approach. All right, because you will need many of these because most of them won't make you money until one will, or maybe the market at one moment or another will help you with a few of them that will work, right? So if you put even a one, if you put even a 1% and it makes a 20x, you still made only 20% of your account, right? I can make 20% of my account on just a 20% position all the time because I make doubles, and doubles happen much more often than 20x's, 40x's, and all that nonsense. People
Holy
don't
sh-
understand the art of being concentrated and moving through more and more trades, compounding the edge, right? Compounding the edge.
these two coins, man, the Pippin one, man, it just made in like the end of 2024 a 70x price explosion. Then it made a full round trip all the way back down, man.
Oh
That's
yeah, this
that's
is the full
ins-
chart.
that's insane. Like again, it's it's not yeah. This is the chart, man. This is the chart. Now because it already had a huge parabolic advance, there is a very, very, very low chances it's gonna do it again. Now, maybe in a year, maybe 2 years, but usually, man, we've been watching charts for years, man. You're not gonna get another pump like that soon. Maybe you're gonna get a little 2x or 3x, whatever. But nah, man, this is rug pull. This is a rug pull from hell, man. Jesus.
Doesn't look good for sure.
No, man, no.
Again, it doesn't have an edge to it. It doesn't have an edge. This is just a gamble trade.
Look at it. Look at this guy. Can I short now, PI? Hey, do you think we are the Messiah that will tell you, hey, short it now? Hey, man, you want to get our trade alerts? We use trade alerts. That's how we execute trades. That's how we go into trade by trade alerts. You want to get all our trade alerts? Join our community. No, I know you don't want to short it now. No, no,
You don't want to short it now. Look, you
no,
don't want
no.
to fight the trend. You don't want to fight. This is going up for now, right? It's not. It doesn't show any weakness. Doesn't show anything. If all this might have been a potential, breakout trade here because it had a small asymmetric move,
Holy
whatever,
F.
right? So, no, don't fight the tape, okay? Don't. The thing, don't be foolish, okay? This can go another 2x, 3x from here. We don't know, right? Don't don't short if you don't know how to short. Mr.
Holy
the UK bat,
F.
if you don't know how to short, don't short because shorting is dangerous. If you don't have a stop loss and if you don't know how to use risk management, you can lose a lot of money shorting.
You probably don't know even how to short, man. Like, if you ask if you can short this one, man, of course, you can do whatever you want. It's your money. But you short weak asset. You're not shorting strong, charts. You know what I mean? This is high risk, man. High risk. You will get stopped out immediately. You get wiped out, and you're probably gonna take leverage, and then for sure you're gonna get wiped out. So no, man, no. Avoid it. Don't short now. And actually, at the moment, you need to wait for Bitcoin because Bitcoin might have a bounce now, and you don't want to enter shorts now. You want to enter shorts when Bitcoin rolling over, not when Bitcoin might have a bounce. Okay, so you know.
Look, we are already shorting for a month, CM. We initiated shorts at the 2nd or 3rd of February. Okay, we're already short for such a long time. People that didn't short so far missed the boat on
Missed the
most
boat.
of the shorts.
Missed the
Of
boat.
course, you can have continuation to a downside, but you need to know how a continuation looks like. Again, please, all of you, if you don't know how to utilize a specific edge, either long or short, don't trade.
Don't trade,
Don't
man.
put your hard-earned money on things that you don't know how to do. Okay, don't. Better not do anything, because if you rely on luck, take $5, go to the lottery and fill the lottery. It's better, it's cheaper.
Or man, just buy a house. Buy a house, take a mortgage, buy a house, be responsible,
If
man.
they have money for a house, for sure.
If they have a 100K account, man, take it all out, man. Stop burning your account, man. You
Yeah,
know,
don't burn.
invest in yourself, in your, real estate, whatever, man. What the F are you doing? Short? Uh,
But
okay.
if you want to learn how to short, you should learn how to short and only then execute.
What's up, guys? What do you think about BTC coming down to 76 and then rallying back up? Could be, man. Anything can happen. We're just waiting for evidence. We're waiting for evidence. We're waiting for clear, evidence from Mr. Bitcoin. Once Mr. Bitcoin telling us, I'm ready to go, we're gonna be ready to go, man.
For sure. I mean, anything around, between 70 to $80,000 can be a bottom. Even this can be a bottom. We don't know, right? But as
Just
we said, Bobby, we are short. And if you're asking me if we think we're gonna have another up move, you know what? Again, it's a game of probabilities. Eventually, I do think we're gonna continue higher.
Ooh,
All right.
Jomo the Bull. Jomo the Bull against CM the Bear. Oh my God. Bro, I think the market topped out. If you're gonna get another fake rally, maybe to make another fake higher high and disgusting
Maybe,
one
man.
to
I
it,
don't know.
maybe. And man, I got some indicators telling you crypto is fucked.
You know, it's a matter of, the thing is that these are only opinions.
Right. It's all my opinion, man. No
It's only
confirmation.
opinions,
No
right?
confirmation.
The fact that I think something and CM thinks something doesn't mean we trade based on this opinion. We trade
Exactly.
based on the price action, based on
Exactly.
the edge.
Exactly. Exactly. If I'm
Okay?
gonna if we're gonna get a breakout now for coin I'm watching that is setting up very nice for a breakout that I'm gonna share it in the community again, I'm gonna take it, man. Even though I'm bearish on crypto, like macro, I'm still a trader, and if I have a good breakout trade, like we did with Tel in February, like we did with many others, we're gonna smoke it. That's better.
Yeah. Move on to the
What
only one.
what time frame do you use to take precise entries on swing trades 4 hour? I do know you look at daily and weekly for right setups.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I use the daily. All right. Usually I will look at the daily. Sometimes I can go down to the 4 hour or 1 hour if I want something more precise to look at. But the daily is sufficient. Usually I will look at the daily pivot, horizontal resistance, take it from there, and that's it.
Daily is the money, man. All the best breakouts are of the sideways ranges of 30 to 90 days. That's the sweet spot, man. Bam, bam. Give me the money. Now we have one. We have one setting up like that of a nice breakout trade setting up. So if you want to take advantage of this trade, man, this is a very nice trade that we're going to take. Join the community today. You get 50%, 15% off of all our services. Do yourself a favor. Take a lifetime. Stop getting wrecked by Crypto Galaxy, man. Take a lifetime. We're gonna help you change your life, change your mind, and change your financial futures completely. You're gonna get with us. I'm telling you, with us in the next, let's say you have a 100K account in the next 5 years, 10 years with us, you're gonna get filthy rich for sure. With him, you're gonna get wrecked, and poor and miserable, man. That's what's gonna happen to you.
Look, I can guarantee one beautiful thing. I guarantee that if you follow us, for sure, you're going to get a skill set for life. A skill set that will take you and be your companion from now on forever, and you will be able to execute upon this skill set as long as you want to. And I think that's the beauty. That's the lifestyle that you can be and create for yourself and for your family. I think that's the beauty.
Exactly. And Mr. Anti-Tree saying, The crypto space is for professional traders, not hodlers. Exactly, man. You don't want to be a hodler because the traders, traders are taking all the hodlers' money now. This cycle is rubbish for hodling. People that hold in altcoins, and most of the people in this space are holding altcoins, they are wrecked. I can open you all the charts, all of them wrecked, rug pull, full retrace, scam. Everything is in the gutter, and it's the truth, man. It's the truth. If you don't know how to trade, if you just based in your financial future on hodling coins, you're going to get wrecked. Okay, be like anti-trees. Take crypto professionally. You're gonna make good money always. You're gonna make good money. If you're gonna stay a hodler, it's not professional. It's a gamble. It's a gamble, and you're gonna get wrecked. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time.
And if by any chance you got lucky and you hodled something, and we're not talking about Bitcoin, right? If you hodled a shitcoin and you got extremely lucky and you made 4, 5, 10x on it, and you want to keep holding on it, do yourself a favor, take profits, take it out of the market, buy something real, right? Put it at places where you can have interest on it, and start back in the trading with a smaller position, smaller account, and just use crypto as a way to accumulate wealth and put it somewhere else as a store of wealth. Okay, that's the best idea I can give to anyone to make sure that you don't have any heartaches, because crypto is full of people that lost their money after making huge amounts.
Yeah, always take your profits. You double your money, take half. You triple it, take half. Take the money out and put it in hard-earned assets like real estate, like gold, like buying makeup for your wife, whatever, man. Just take the fucking money out of the crypto market because you're gonna burn it. You're gonna burn it. Okay. We have here. Okay, this guy. Do you consider the fear and greed index to look at to have an idea getting? Yeah. It is some kind of a sentiment indicator. The problem is now all every little moon boy is now pulling the fear and greed indicator out. So that means it is overwatched. Okay, it's this indicator is rubbish now. It got rubbish. Why? Because every little boy and lady girl will tell you, oh, the fear and greed is on extreme fear, so now it's the time to buy. The bottom is in. That it was good last cycle. Now I think it's total rubbish. It lost its power. It's not as powerful as it was because a lot of people know about it.
CM, look, I agree with you. I agree with you, and I will add to this. I will add something. The fact it is low right now, and you let's say you buy because of it, and it bounces, and you are 10% in profit. Doesn't mean it's the perfect low. It can bounce from here because we're an extreme oversold. You have a small bounce, and then it can go lower. Okay, so you don't use the fear and greed as a buyer's indicate as an indicator to buy. Okay, you can use it as part of your process if that's part of your edge. Again, if this is some, don't use haphazard things. Don't take something from here, take something there, listen to this one, that one, and just decide, all right, if this happens, whatever, I buy something. That's not how a trader's process work. If you don't have a way to compile, all right, a checklist of things that if they all align, you go into a trade, then it doesn't matter what a number or an index or an indicator is saying, because you don't know how to use it to your advantage as an edge. You're just looking and assuming something. So don't just use something, learn how to utilize it as an edge if you can. If you don't, it's not an edge. That's it.
Jomo, Jomo, Jomo. Should I hold KASPA or not? Please tell me. Please.
Man, you know what I'm going to say? I'm going to say if you bought it, you had a plan, follow your plan. If not, I'm not the one to tell you what to do with your KASPA. I'm short KASPA right now. That's what I'm doing.
All right.
CM seems like you want to say something more than that.
I'm gonna shush. I'm gonna shush, man, because the guy will jump from the window. If you buy at the bottom of the bear market, you can hold. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
If you buy altcoins bottom of the bear market, you will get wrecked. Don't do that.
But again, let's say you capture the bottom, you have an edge, right? How long do you hold? When do you
Oh,
take profits?
we have
What
a
is the plan?
we have a galaxy cheerleader in the house. Get a life and try to make more views by your own stream and not trying to be in view with other influencers that have many subscribers. Woo, the cheerleader is here. Woo, woo, woo. Deeds. Keep cheerleading. Woo. My portfolio was and is still green following Crypto Galaxy. Woo. It's probably a bot, man. It's probably a robot, man. A
No, you
robot.
know what, CM?
It's a
I
robot.
think this dude joined Galaxy a year and a half ago, was 10x on his money, and now he's only 2x on his money instead of being 10x. So he's still profitable.
Yeah, yeah, he's still profitable on his Pepe and Turbo. But soon, my friend, soon, even if you're still profitable, keep holding, man, and expecting his predictions. Oof, oof. You're gonna get a full rug pull on your account. You're gonna get a divorce from your wife, and you're gonna be miserable, my friend. That's what's gonna happen to you, man. Keep
I
cheerleading.
will I will tell Dids as well one thing. I'm happy for you. Have a beautiful day. This is our stream. You don't have to come back here. If you
Don't
don't like us.
if you feel the tears coming down, my friend, just cancel, close the window on your laptop. Just close the you remember, sir, you are in full control of of what you watch. You can always say, oh, I don't like it, and click on the mouse and get the f out of the window, man. Alrighty, let's continue here, and we cut it off. Oh, chocolate cookie. Bids, they already have a life. Now they are helping us to get a life as well. Exactly, my friend. Exactly. Telcoin is on my radar. It really took a big hit. So for me, I'm watching it. I don't at the moment. It's not for me. I'm just watching. Politicians making money of fragging meme coins is more ethical than war profiteering.
That's not for us. Maybe there's a chat in the chat. I don't know.
Yeah, probably. Oh, KASPA smart contracts. KASPA is gonna have its smart contracts live from June. Maybe will this have any effect on the price? Absolutely, man. It can create a rally. It can be a catalyst, but we need to see an evidence. There is no evidence of a reversal. I want to see KASPA breaking back above the 10-cent mark and take also the moving averages because it is below the moving averages. You know, that's me. Once it breaks back above its moving averages, I'm gonna long KASPA for a trade, But don't be fool of KASPA going to $10 or $7 because, in my opinion, man, in my humble opinion, it's not gonna happen. And I dare to say it's never gonna happen, man. We're talking about 300 billion market cap for KASPA, man. With all the respect, Ethereum 10 years trading barely hit that price, that market capitalization. So let's be humble and not expect KASPA to go to $10 or $17, whatever nonsense they're telling you. Hey, you can get a free 3 days trial, right? We have 3 days trials, man. And yeah, try it out. Try a free days trial, man. Try it out. But again, remember, we are traders. You might join for the trial and there will be no trade because we're waiting for the good trades. Okay, we're not gonna just trade. We're not trading every day. We trade based on the market. Okay, so if the market give us a trade, we take it. If there is no trade, we're just sitting in cash and waiting. But yeah, definitely join the trial, and you can actually go. I think you can check out the courses and everything for a 3 days, man. It's cool stuff, man. Check it out. We have some very nice stuff there for serious people that want to make money in trading in crypto.
What else do we have?
We
Chocolate
have
cookie saying about Crypto Galaxy being right once, whatever. Crypto chocolate cookie, thank you very much for your support. We have more questions about KASPA. We can't, let's not answer any KASPA questions right now anymore. Naz is asking, can Rune coin break now? Rune, man, Rune.
this
We
is
shorted the frick out of Rune, man. Probably it's gonna get a bounce, man.
yeah,
But
yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't mean that I wanna participate with it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. There were literally millions of Caspa being bought by the same wallets. That's the argument. That's the argument they want you to buy. You know, they feed you with the spoon. Oh, the biggest wallet in Caspa
Dude,
just bought.
I'm gonna be I think that these wallets that are buying now and creating the hype, one day they're gonna be the biggest motherfucking sellers on the market. They're gonna be so aggressive on the selling because they're trying to hype people that are following the coins right now. They're gonna become aggressive sellers one day. I don't know when, but it's I've seen this happen in the past, man.
Yeah, man. Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please leave us a like, guys. We need your likes. We really need your support with the likes because it really helps us get to more people, poor people that getting wrecked with the crypto galaxy and all the charlatans on YouTube. So make sure to smash the like, guys. If you can tweet it on your Twitter, that would be amazing. Follow us on Twitter. By the way, follow us on Twitter. We have this Twitter here, handles below. Follow me and Jomo on Twitter. We're sharing some good stuff over there. If you want to join our community, we have the link below for all the live. Join it. We have 15% discount on all our products, man. Amazing, amazing stuff. If you're serious about trading, join Lifetime, man. We'll change your life completely. We'll get you really, really sorted in life. And yeah, thank you very much. Till next time. No edge.
No trade. Cheers.